This isn't a good level. Is this okay? This feels so weird. Okay. Maybe I need my coffee or something. I still have pre-workout in my system, so hopefully that'll do the trick. What's up, guys, and welcome to my channel. And I don't even know what to say at this point because I have my normal thing in my head, but I haven't filmed in 3 years, so this feels very weird for me. But welcome to my channel. This video is going to be a reorganizing my book collection. I have 3 different bookshelves. 4? I have 4 different bookshelves, and I've gotten a bunch of new books in the past, like probably year and a half. I've gotten back into loving reading. I've read 14 books so far this year. It's like March. I don't know when this is gonna come up because I haven't edited in 3 years. So we'll see how long it takes me. But I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of what it kind of looks like now. And then I've got a bunch of these books. I usually read down here on the couch because it's in my living room. So I kind of want to do like my TBR in this section, and then books that I've like already read kind of upstairs, but I don't really know how that's gonna work because I want like a fantasy section. I don't know. I think we're just gonna play around with how to organize all of this stuff, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So this is how the bookshelf is currently looking. I have like these different little cubbies that just have random stuff in it. I've got all these books stacked on top that I've just finished reading. This pile, these 2 piles I still need to read. These books I got when I was in Europe. I don't have any like actual books on this bookshelf, and so I want to make it look pretty. This was just for decoration, but now I'm gonna get to use this all as an actual bookshelf. And then over here, I do have these 3 shelves. Don't mind the fact that there is a Christmas tree on top of it, and it is, in fact, March when I'm filming this. It's fine. It's fine. It's probably going to be there for a while. So, I have these 3 shelves that I can now use since I cleared them off. It's like the only way I can get a good angle of it. But basically, I have this at the top of my stairs. It's been set up like this since I first built this shelf like 2 years ago. And I don't know, so I want to be able to reorganize stuff. Because right now I have it like random books that I've started that I haven't finished. But like there are some of those books that I've read. These I've read the whole thing, but they're fantasy. I've got all of the Harry Potters, which I'm on book 5 right now. I put it back on the shelf because I honestly don't think I'm ever gonna finish it. I just can't get through it. It was my least favorite movie. And it is my least favorite book, and I just can't get through it. And then I've got books that I read like in middle school that I never finished the series. So I want to be able to finish those. I've got all my psychology books. I've got books that I would read for school. I've got like more middle school, high school, like this whole section that I haven't finished the series. Or like Twilight, I've never even read it, but my mom had the books and she gave them to me. And then I've got poetry books. And then I used to have my tarot cards in this one, but I now keep them downstairs. And I've got my little crystal up there. In this corner of my room, we have the big guy. We've got all these books. I've got Agatar, my baby. And then self-help books. A lot of those. I've got like memories with my friend Rachel. And then I've got more books that I've started but haven't finished. Or I think there's 2 books on that shelf that I have read. 3, whatever. And then I've got all my astrology books at the bottom, and then like childhood books that I'm probably not gonna read. I just keep them because then one day I like give them to kids or whatever. And right now it's like in this back corner of my room, and then I have nothing here. And so part of me really wants to like just move this over or something, because I used to keep my laundry basket right there, but now I just feel like it's tucked away in the corner and I can barely see it. So we're gonna figure all of that out too. Also, don't mind the fact that I'm literally wearing a sweater, like blanket around me. I was gonna just wear this, but I'm already sweating just from setting up. So, we're not gonna do that. So I've got, maybe I should just move all the books to the floor, including the ones from upstairs. princesses. Talented magicians. Okay, we're gonna go with fantasy. Let's do a whole YA pile. We'll do memoir. This usually isn't like facing out, but I moved it so maybe you can see it better than being flying into the wall. Okay. As you can see, I have a lot of self-help books. Okay. Read that. That. Did I finish this? No, I didn't finish this. Why have I started so many books? I did not finish them. Cause like I wanna do, you can't even, I tried, okay? I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Hello. But like I wanna do a series where I go back and finish series that I started when I was younger. Like the Morganville Vampires, there's 18 books in this thing. I'm pretty sure I only got to book like 9. So I wanna finish it. Like The Immortals, Vampire Kisses, Kissed by an Angel, Blue Bloods, like all these series I never finished. We'll put this with fantasy that I've read. YA that I haven't read. Other than 13 Reasons Why. Obviously I've read that. So, have read. Haven't read. Fantasy. I don't even have these organized anymore. Maybe leave this as my Harry Potter shelf. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Okay, if I'm leaving those here, then I'm leaving these here. So let's maybe do the already read books up here. Yes? Yes? I don't know. Okay. Then what about... This is hard. I don't even know if these books are gonna fit on the shelf downstairs. I think it's too tall. I don't even know if I plan on reading this. I just thought it was pretty. Avatar, my loves. Obviously. I need to go back through and reread these so I can have them. Right back where I had it before. Whatever. Haven't read those. Have read these. Tell me why. I don't want one that is hardcover. think about having enough room to be decorating this. Okay, I've read this. I still have 4 books downstairs. Okay, here's the other one. That's what I thought. So we can do dark romances. I know. There. No, that's backwards. I like the look of this series the other way though. Whatever. Okay. Got a dark romance. I just had the other one in my hand. Are these not the... Bruh. Why aren't these the same size? Okay, but like tell me why these aren't the same size. It's book 1 and 2. Ugh, I think I hate this more than having one hardcover of a series. Okay. That way, I guess? I don't know. Okay, and then I've got fantasy that I've read. These shelves are done. YA that I've read. YA. Isn't like dark romance, just romance. So I could go with that here when I get to the back. So far I'm hating how these shelves look. I'll get over it. How are all of these gonna fit downstairs? Maybe I should do the books I've read downstairs. But I read downstairs. Why would I want to come all the way up here?
Maybe it's not married. Maybe it's love.
Well, whatever it is, please don't let it get you.
I've got a feeling love don't have to be the way you say it is.
Well, it's gotta be that way with me. But I've only loved one man. I've got a hunch I'm never gonna feel no other kind of love.
with this one, but that just means I can buy more books. So I'm happy with it. Down here. I'm down here. And we are done. I am so happy with this shelf. I kind of messed up how much I like the shelves upstairs, but that just means I can buy more books. But since this is just my TBR, I haven't read any of these books behind me, I'm not gonna buy any more books. But as I read books from here, I'll move them up to my shelf and like filter through, and then I'll kind of be able to change up my shelves and change up what I'm reading as much as I want to. I just feel so good now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are looking forward to a lot more book content and just whatever I feel like filming that day. And with that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!